Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. I guess you would call it Bullitt's brother. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $77,000 but did not sell. And I'll read you off has the Marty report, which I'll have a picture of, and also from Ford customer service talking about the car. And basically, from the Ford one, it shows it's a 1968 model year, manufactured at San Jose Assembly Plant, Ford Mustang two-door fastback, S code 390, CID V8 4V Special GT gasoline engine, and then the serial number for it. And it shows was produced on 4/5 of 68 with the following options: Highland green exterior paint color, black all vinyl bucket seats, GT equipment group, manual 4-speed transmission, locking 325 rear axle, F70 by 14 wide oval nylon white sidewall tires, sport deck rear seat, console, power steering, power disc brakes, AM radio, tinted glass, and deluxe seat belts. And then the Marty report shows again the door data plate information. Code 8, 1968, code R, built at San Jose, code 02, Mustang Fastback, code S, 390, 4V engine, and 63A Mustang Fastback, code R, Highland green paint, Ford number 3067-A, 2A black standard bucket seats. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.